I wanted to start with our 24-hour rainfall numbers. So this is what we got overnight. Yeah, big divide across central Indiana. Kokomo, Lafayette barely got anything, if not nothing, in Kokomo. Muncie just over a tenth. Then you get down to I-70, Indianapolis over a half inch, closer to an inch for Bloomington and Columbus. That measurement in Terre Haute is also an error. So if you're eyeing that, they got over a tenth of an inch easily. Live look at our Speedway camera. Visibility a bit lower. We have the clouds in place. Still some drizzle being reported at the airport, 42 degrees, and winds out of the east at 5 miles an hour. But the more consistent, steadier rain now south and east of Indianapolis. Visibility at 5 miles, down to 2 miles in Columbus and 1 mile in Richmond. We'll zoom in on Storm Tracker. So here's what's left. No lightning strikes. Rain favoring south and east of Indianapolis, and this is also the spots where we have the lower visibility. We'll have the more consistent rain on the city's southeast side still compared to the northwest side and north side where it is dry. And light rain will continue for some of these spots east or south and east of Indianapolis here in the next hour or two as we're clearing things out west to east. Rushville, moderate rain is falling, Connorsville as well, and up to Richmond. So it's time it out on Futurecast. As I mentioned, we're going to have this system wrapping up. Low pressure systems off to our south. And actually, this line of showers and storms south of the warm front did have some tornado watches overnight in Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. We missed out on that part of the storm system. Here's a look at Futurecast the next couple hours. Steadiest rain exiting off to our south and east. Still have the clouds behind it. Areas of patchy fog, maybe some light drizzle at best. But this afternoon, clouds break apart. And by the late afternoon and evening hours, we're expecting partly cloudy skies in the area. So temperatures today will get into the lower 50s. We are past daybreak this morning, but not too bad later on this afternoon and evening. 53 in Indy, 53 in Bloomington, and 56 in Terre Haute. Average high for this time of year is 40 degrees. We're 10 to 15 degrees above average yet again for today. Now tonight, mid-30s, something to monitor for tonight is we're expecting fog, patchy areas of fog to form in the early morning hours. There's no dense fog advisory out for anything just yet, but you have to imagine we'll see some areas of fog, especially south of I-70, where you had the rainfall and you had those higher amounts because the winds are going to calm down. So we'll have some of those spots to start your President's Day. Temperatures in the mid to upper 50s through the afternoon and evening hours. I have us up to 58, 56 in Bloomington. And guess what? The warm-up's going to continue. Here's just a broad pattern. And look at our temperatures to our south and west. With that southwest flow starting to take over, we're warming up day by day. 60 degrees by the time we get to Tuesday. Wednesday, mid to upper 60s. And Thursday in the mid-60s. We're challenging record highs on Wednesday. Thing I wanted to mention for Wednesday, though, warm front lifts through the region. There are some hints we could have some showers and thunderstorms around the area on Wednesday. Hope Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling 7-day forecast. We're not in any severe weather risk from the Storm Prediction Center. We'll see if we're added to one as we get a little bit closer, whether it be a low-end one or nothing. Chance of showers and storms on Thursday. Temperatures not as warm to start off next weekend in the mid-40s.
The weather and traffic you trust.